नमस्कार मंडळी, मी यूट्यूब चॅनलवर आपलं सहर्ष स्वागत करते. इंग्रजी या विषयाला सर्वच विद्यार्थी जवळपास घाबरतात. इंग्रजी भाषा जरी आपली नसेल तरी इंग्रजी भाषा आपल्याला येणं अतिशय आवश्यक आहे. सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना शिक्षण क्षेत्रामध्ये इंग्रजी भाषेचं महत्त्व असणं गरजेचं आहे. बहुतांशी विद्यार्थी सर्व हे पाठ करतात, परंतु जर आपण वाक्याचा अभ्यास केला, वाक्यामधलं मटेरियलचा जर आपण अभ्यास केला तर आपल्याला इंग्रजी निश्चित बोलता येते. म्हणून आजचा आपला नवीन टॉपिक असेल इंग्रजी भाषा ही प्रत्येक क्षेत्रात आपल्याला कशी इम्प्रूव्ह करते आणि कशी मदत करते. तर या विषयासाठी आपल्या या CS स्पोकन क्लास तेलारा या विषयाचा या क्लासचा माझी विद्यार्थी आपल्यासमोर इंग्रजी विषयाचं महत्त्व सांगणार आहे. तरी तुम्ही ते ऐका आणि त्याच्यातून काही सूचना घेऊ शकता, काही मार्गदर्शन घेऊ शकता. धन्यवाद.
Hello friends, good afternoon everyone and my respected teacher also. First of all friend, I have to give the information about myself. My name is Mukim Sheikh and I am from Belkhed. It is under of the Taluka Tellara and Akola district. Friends, I am an old student of CS spoken class Tellara. Friends, first of all I want to give the information about my journey in the English language. So friends, if you don't know, I am a student of Urdu medium. And at that time friends, until the 12th class my education is complete in the Urdu medium. And when I had taken the admission in Gopalrao Khedkar through the English medium, at that time friends, I don't know what is the importance of English. Not only importance of English but also I don't more information about the English word as well as Marathi word also. So at that time friends, my friend told me about the CS spoken class Telhara. So that time when I had joined this batch, at that time my condition about the English language is very poor. Because of that friend, I am a student of Urdu medium and I don't understand the English language also Marathi language. So at that time I had joined this batch and I asked the sir, I have to join this batch, but before this please listen me sir, I don't understand the English language and Marathi language also. So sir say that okay, anyway you can come CS spoken class Tellara and you can join this batch. Definitely after joining this batch you can speak much more as well as you can speak with easily in as one test. So friends, result is in front of you. I am giving the answer of your question in the English language in front of you. Friend, you are a student of the Marathi medium and I am a student of the Urdu medium. Even I can speak with easily and as one test. So my excitement is very high. Because of that friend, I am a student of English medium and you are a student of Marathi medium. Even I can speak English. So definitely I have to give the one suggestion to you. Please join this batch. Because of that friend, you are a student of Marathi medium. So definitely you can complete your syllabus, complete the everything which are teaching the AD sir on this batch. So definitely after joining this batch you can learn the English and you can speak the English according to me. So now I come to my topic, what is the importance of English language and why is the importance of English language in educational field. So friend, you are all of us students and you are having taking the education. If you are the student of science medium, if you are a student of the commerce and arts also, so definitely you can say that in any field English is a very must and English is a very essential part. Because of that friend, if you take the example of the paper pattern, so definitely you can see that in the paper so many things present in the English. So if you have no more knowledge about the English, so definitely you can't solve the paper as good as what as. So I just hope that you should come to know the importance of English language in the educational field. Not only in the educational field friends, but also in any other field. Because of that friend, if you are taking the example of the any other city, so definitely you can say that friends, we are belong to the rural area. So in our area it's not atmosphere we get from the other. But if you take the example the other city, so definitely you can say that English language is a very must and English language belong to the educational field according to me friend. So I think that you should come to know the importance of English language. Because of that friend, if you take the example of in your college, in your syllabus, in your any stream which you are learning. So definitely you can also say that no, English language is a very essential part in the person life, not only person life but also most educational field student life, according to me friend. So I just hope that you are listening me about the knowledge of the English language, and you come to know the importance of English language. Because of that you are a student and you can better understand than me. So friend, I just hope that please everyone come to know the importance of English language. Because of that friend, if you are taking the education in educational field, friends, movement to movement friends need the English language. Because of that friend, if you take the admission in the science stream, so definitely without English you can't learn the science stream. Because of that friend, science totally depend on the English language. So I just hope that really truly please come to know the importance of English language. And if you take the example of the other thing, means you are living in society, so many things as like such that about our in the rural area, gram panchayat is also present friends. In that so many government facilities providing us, but we don't understand. Because of that friend, we have no more education and we have no more knowledge about English, so we can't get the facility which are providing the government in the rural area. So according to me, I give a suggestion to you, please join the CS spoken class. Because of that friend, I am also a student on this class and result is in front of you. Because of that friend, I have lot of gaps, even I have much more practice, and I did the complete much more batch knowledge from this sir. So definitely friend, result is in front of you. I am giving the answer of your question. I am giving the answer of your question in the English medium, English language. That is the importance of English language. And friend, if you fear about the English, so result is definitely in front of you. You are a student of the Marathi medium. Don't fear about the English. Because of that, sir told anytime with our mother tongue, which we know that friends, we like our mother tongue. So sir always teach to us about the English in the mother tongue language. So friend, don't fear about the English. Please come on this batch. Definitely after joining this batch, definitely you can also say your friends. You can also say your friends, yeah, English language is very hard. But after joining this batch, you can't say your friend English is very hard, because sir teach to us just for fun. So I think that friends, we should always come to know the importance of language. And lastly, I want to say that, and I give a suggestion to you, if you like me, if you like my speech, so definitely please subscribe AD's Easy English Spoken English channel, and give the share and likes to others. So friend, lastly I want to say that please subscribe our channel AD's Easy English and likes and share. So that's all.